Rainy Weather Days by Pam Rosenberg.
Looks like rain. Splish splash. Grab your umbrella and boots. Let's go outside and find some puddles. It's going to be a rainy weather day. Spring can be a rainy season. Springtime flowers need rain to grow. Sometimes people say that April showers bring May flowers. Spring isn't the only time it rains. It can rain in summer, fall, and winter too. Rain will turn icy if it is very cold outside. Icy rain is called sleet. Raindrops come from clouds. A cloud is made of many tiny water droplets. The tiny droplets crash into each other. They make bigger drops. When the drops get too heavy, they fall as rain. The smallest raindrops are the size of a tiny dot. Larger raindrops may be as big as a pea. Size of a small raindrop. Size of a large raindrop. A rain gauge is a long tube with a wide opening at the top. It is a tool that helps meteorologists measure how much rain falls during a storm. Rain fills up our lakes and rivers. It gives us water to drink and helps our food grow. Rain helps make life on Earth possible. It makes splashing in puddles possible too.